Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will tell you about engine overheating. Engine overheating is a condition when the engine is too hot or hotter than the necessary. If this problem not fixed immediately, it can be causing a huge problem like engine exploding or the piston ring broken and many others. Okay. Engine overheating can be caused by many problems like the combustion is not perfect, the cooler not work properly, or the seat chest irritability, and many others. Okay. After this, I will show you how to fix engine overheating. Stay tuned. Okay. Okay, guys. First, you must check the temperature of the exhaust gas and check the exhaust gas. If the color is black, so there is a problem with the injector. Okay, if the exhaust gas is okay, now you check the temperature of the cooler. First, check the temperature, and then if the temperature is not good, so you must clean the cooler. Okay. Okay guys, now I will show you how to clean the cooler. First, prepare the cranks number 20. First, open the cover. Now open the other side cover. Okay, after you open the cover, now you must clean the tube using water and push the tube with a wood or something. Don't use steel because it will damage the tube. Okay. After you clean, you can install the cover again. Make sure to tighten the nut tighten because if not tight, the water will leak. Okay, after you clean the cooler, now you can open the valve and see what if there is leak. So you must tighten the nut again. After you clean this cooler, but the temperature does not cook down, so the problem it can be shown that the problem is in the seat chest. So you must clean the seat chest. Okay. Okay guys, this is all of my videos today. If you have any question or suggestion, just comment in this video. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. See you in the next video.